MIRA Network launches a preliminary draft of its white paper, with reservations about some important details that will be released at times deemed appropriate by the project owners and legal partners. Links in description. It has been definitively confirmed that the total supply is only 27 million. The project commits that the minimum price will not drop below 95 cents per token. From a regulatory and legal standpoint, the project is progressing in a steady and carefully planned manner. The MIRA Network is a next-generation decentralized finance ecosystem designed to redefine blockchain-powered finance by integrating real-world asset tokenization, cloud mining, and community-driven financial growth. Built on the proof-of-stake authority-based MIRA-20 blockchain, the network empowers community members through fractional ownership in tokenized companies, decentralized finance, and a highly scalable ecosystem. With over 3,500,000 community members and a rapidly growing application onboarding more than 10,000 users daily, MIRA Network represents the future of decentralized finance. The platform bridges the gap between traditional finance and blockchain technology, making decentralized finance accessible to everyone while maintaining institutional-grade security and compliance. At the core of the network is the MIRA-20 blockchain, featuring two primary tokens, each serving a distinct purpose within the decentralized infrastructure. MIRA token is the native utility token of the MIRA-20 blockchain, used for covering gas fees, initiating transactions, and interacting with smart contracts. It plays an important role in maintaining the network operations and governance. MIRA has a fixed supply of 27 million and is structured to support the long-term utility and technical resilience of the network. Lumira token is a Swiss franc referenced dynamic stable token that can be mined for free using the MIRA Network application. Its value grows with user engagement within the MIRA Network ecosystem. Designed for stability and long-term growth, the Lumira token benefits from a secure and scalable infrastructure, making it a reliable digital token for both everyday transactions and future financial opportunities. Together, MIRA and Lumira form the foundation of a sustainable community-driven financial ecosystem. Increased participation in the MIRA-20 network and engagement with partner applications supports ecosystem activity and utility, helping to maintain a functional and decentralized network infrastructure. Also, there is KLOK App Project from MIRA. Join the tasks that is all work daily. Simple click and done. Remember the OS list of all mining project in description. Good luck everyone.